To access the auxiliary board, you must first remove both the front panel and the socket board. Follow the instructions in their respective videos to ensure correct removal. Begin by disconnecting the Alfbus cable from its connector and store it safely. Take note of the reference labels on the cable to identify each connector. Next, remove the power cables. Disconnect the feeder cables from the terminal block. Fully open the Wago connectors to release and remove the power cables coming from the energy meter. Remove the 2 bolts using a Torx T20 screwdriver. Then remove the 4 spacers using an SW7 bit and a screwdriver or wrench. Carefully remove the auxiliary board, avoiding contact with any electronic components. Position the replacement auxiliary board and secure it using the new spacers provided. Tighten the spacers to a torque of 1 Nm. Ensure the grounding spacers are correctly installed. Fasten the 2 bolts to 1 Nm using a Torx T20 screwdriver. Reconnect the power cables using a flathead screwdriver. Reconnect the power cables coming from the energy meter and fully close the Wago connectors. Finally, reconnect the Alfbus cable using the AB100 connector, as indicated on the cable label, to reconnect the Alfbus cable. Proceed with mounting the socket board and front panel. Please follow the instructions provided in the videos for proper installation.